Morning YouTube and Dodge Charger owners. So now I'm down into replacing the airbag cover and the airbag, and let me show you how this works out. So turn the steering wheel on a little bit of an angle so you can access the 10mm bolts that are in this little hole right here. All right, I'm using Snap-on 1/4" drive electric ratchet and a universal or swivel socket because it makes it real easy just to get in there. All right, so there's one here. So if the steering wheel's straight, one's at 9 o'clock, the other one's at 3 o'clock. So turn the steering wheel on a little bit of an angle and unscrew those bolts. Gently remove this back. Keep in mind all the wires for the airbag and the horn are still connected. There's not a whole lot of slack here, so you have to hold it back on an angle a little bit. And then there's tabs on the airbag connectors. Squeeze them in, slide these out gently. All right, tab there, tab there, tab there, tab there. It's tight. Once you get these loose, then you can swing the airbag back a little bit more and then unplug the horn harness. Once you get to that point, this is how the kit is applied. So you have the airbag. It has these folds here, so you have to tuck them in. And then the airbag slat cover just snaps over it, but you want to make sure that the bag flaps are tucked in nice. So it'll look like this when you're done. So this is the old one. You can see that the cover just pops off. So since this car is so old, we're doing both pieces for a better quality job. If you don't want to do it that way, don't do it. If your airbag falls apart in your hands because your car is so old, well, you should do both pieces at the same time. So that's what it's going to look like when you're done. This is what you get from the dealer. It's two separate pieces. I'm going to assemble all this and make sure you tuck this harness back in here, just like that. Clip it in. That's all on the back side. And then reinstall the process. So lay it up there, plug everything in, slide it in place, get your bolts on, and verify that everything works right. Thanks for watching.